Hey guys, it's Sebastian here over at Don Williamson Nissan here in beautiful Jacksonville, North Carolina. And today I'm going to be showcasing you the all-new electric SUV, the Nissan Ariya. As you can see, it stands tall, gives you a little bit more of a modern, aggressive look to it. With LED headlights incorporated into the grille. And you'll notice right over here in the actual grille itself, you have these little designs. This is taking inspiration from the Japanese brand's long line of heritage and history. That design right there was called our Kamiko design. It's a Japanese woodworking technique that takes complex geometric shapes and turns them into captivating art. Beautiful aluminum alloy rims. This one here is specifically the premier trim level. You have a power liftgate, which gives you tons and tons of space right back here. You have extra storage underneath. These just lift right up. Go ahead and make my way on the inside here. You can see more of those Kamiko designs all along the vehicle, inside and out. Nice leather seating. You have the rear armrest with the cup holders. In the back over here, you have heated seats as well as two USB ports, USB-A and C type chargers. The seats, they do fold down for extra cargo space. Up front over here, you have memory seat settings, power locks, power seats, power windows. Beautiful dual panoramic power moonroof. As you can see, it's kind of like an open concept here. There's no space blocking the middle here. I'm going to go ahead and jump in. It is a push button start. Beautiful welcome design as well. Over here you got steering assist, heads up display. You have your power liftgate, auto hold features. On the steering wheel you have Nissan Safety Shield 360 features, your blind spot warning, your front collision assist, your lane departure. You have your rear cross traffic alert, rear automatic braking. You have a 12.3 inch touchscreen, built-in navigation systems, and as you can see right over here you have haptic buttons. Oh, there goes our virtual personal assistant. I'll go ahead and activate that really quick.
Canceling voice.
Hello, Nissan.
Please say or select a command.
Turn on driver's side heated seats to maximum level.
Turn the driver's seat.
Underneath here, you have more of the Kamiko design. You can see that soft lighting right over here. That's end-on lighting again, taking inspiration from the Japanese heritage roots. Over here, you have more of those haptic buttons. You have ProPilot Park, which I'll showcase here in just a second. You have the E-Step feature. You have an extra little storage container right over here. Just comes right out. On the center console itself, you also do have a wireless charging pad. You can just slide it right in here to charge your phone. And this little symbol here will turn orange and turn green once it's 100% charged. Go ahead and swipe over the navigation system. You do have an available heads-up display. You can see the little 0 miles per hour there. It'll show your navigation, your safety features, cruise control. Right over here you have your intelligent rear view mirror, so it shows you everything right behind you without having anybody blocking the actual rear view mirror itself. You can see right here you can change the settings on it, so that way you can move the camera up or down. As I mentioned, you have the dual panoramic power moonroof with universal garage openers right over here. We'll go ahead and open this up really quick. Move the center console forward and backward. You do have a 360 all-around view camera. You go ahead and push the camera button. So it shows you the front side, shows you the top side, curb side, and if I have it in reverse right here, shows you everything in the back side as well. We'll go ahead and show the ProPilot Park feature here. For ProPilot Park, what you do is you just press this button right here. You can see those blue little lines right here. You want to line those up with the parking space in which you're trying to actually park at. As you can see, it's right over here already trying to pick up on it. There's 2 different parking spots. So from this point here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press start. Take my foot off the brake. Try it again, press start. Okay. So as you can see, hands are off entirely, and it shows you exactly where the vehicle is going to go. Absolutely one of my absolute favorite features on the Nissan Ariya. And then once you hear the ding, the vehicle goes into park, and that's how you know you're good. These are just amongst one of the many few features that we have here on the new Nissan Ariya. We're over here at Jacksonville, North Carolina, 310 Western Boulevard. If you guys have any questions at all, just give us a call or shoot us a text. We're at 910-353-7700.